Are you watering your golden pothos too much or not enough? Most people think watering on a fixed schedule is the secret to a lush, trailing plant. But here's the surprising truth. Watering at the wrong time is the fastest way to cause yellow leaves, root rot, and slow growth. The good news? Golden pothos is one of the easiest houseplants to care for once you understand its watering needs. In this video, you'll learn exactly how often to water your golden pothos, how to tell when it's thirsty, and the common watering mistakes you should avoid. Stay until the end because tip number 10 could completely change the way you care for your plant. Number 1, water only. When the topsoil is dry. Golden pothos prefers the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Instead of watering every few days, insert your finger about 1 to 2 inches into the soil. If the top layer feels dry, it's time to water. If it still feels damp, wait another day or two. This simple habit prevents overwatering, the number 1 cause of root rot. Healthy roots need both moisture and oxygen. Constantly wet soil suffocates roots and invites fungal diseases. Always let the plant, not the calendar, tell you when it needs water. Number 2. Water every 7 to 10 days in most homes. For most indoor environments, golden pothos usually needs watering every 7 to 10 days during spring and summer. However, this is only a general guideline. Temperature, humidity, light, and pot size all affect how quickly the soil dries. A plant in bright, indirect light may need water sooner than one kept in a darker room. Always check the soil first before watering. Your plant's environment is far more important than sticking to a strict schedule. Number 3. Reduce watering. During winter, golden pothos grows more slowly in cooler months, meaning it uses less water. During fall and winter, watering every 2 to 3 weeks is often enough for many indoor plants. Since evaporation slows down, the soil stays moist much longer. Watering too frequently during winter can easily lead to root rot. Continue checking the soil before watering rather than following your summer routine. Number 4. Water thoroughly. Each time. When it's time to water, give your golden pothos a deep soak instead of a small splash. Slowly pour water until it drains from the bottom drainage holes. This ensures the entire root system receives moisture. After watering, empty any excess water from the saucer so the roots never sit in standing water. Deep watering encourages stronger, healthier root growth. Number 5. Bright light means more frequent. Watering plants growing in bright, indirect sunlight use water much faster than those in low light. If your golden pothos sits near a bright window, expect to water a little more often. More light increases photosynthesis and growth, causing the soil to dry faster. In darker rooms, the opposite is true. Watering too often can leave the soil wet for too long. Number 6. Watch for signs of underwatering. A thirsty golden pothos will usually let you know. Leaves may begin to droop, curl slightly, or feel thinner than normal. The soil may also pull away from the edges of the pot. Fortunately, golden pothos usually recovers quickly after a thorough watering. However, repeated underwatering can slow growth and cause brown leaf edges over time. Number 7. Learn the symptoms of overwatering. Overwatering causes yellow leaves, soft stems, mushy roots, and a foul smell from the soil. Many people mistake yellow leaves as a sign the plant needs more water when it's often the opposite. If the soil stays soggy for several days, allow it to dry before watering again. Severe root rot may require trimming damaged roots and repotting into fresh, well-draining soil. Number 8. Choose the right pot and soil. The best watering routine starts with proper drainage. Use a pot with drainage holes and a loose, airy potting mix containing ingredients like perlite or bark. Good drainage allows excess water to escape while keeping enough moisture for healthy roots. Heavy, compact soil stays wet much longer and increases the risk of root problems. Number 9. Adjust watering for your home's conditions. No two homes are exactly alike. Warm rooms, air conditioning, heaters, ceiling fans, and humidity all affect how often your plant needs water. Rather than counting days, make checking the soil part of your weekly plant care routine. This flexible approach keeps your golden pothos healthy year-round, regardless of changing seasons. Number 10. The best watering secret. Observe your plant. The healthiest golden pothos owners don't follow strict schedules. They observe their plants. Healthy leaves remain firm, glossy, and vibrant green. By regularly checking soil moisture, leaf appearance, and pot weight, you'll quickly learn your plant's unique watering rhythm. Experience is the best watering guide, and your golden pothos will reward you with faster growth and beautiful trailing vines. Now you know exactly how often to water your golden pothos and how to avoid the most common watering mistakes. Remember, check the soil first, water deeply, and let the plant guide your routine instead of the calendar. Follow these simple tips, and your golden pothos will stay lush, healthy, and full of vibrant green leaves all year long. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more easy plant care tips. Thanks for watching and happy growing.